Friday again. The weather is very good. It's officially summer. Right, so this weekend we are going to cook one of my personal favorites. We bought this banana plantain, or we call it Saba, in Almaya. So today I'm going to cook Maruya, which is banana fritter, one of famous delicacies in the Philippines. And also maybe I could try Minatamis na saging na Saba, or sweetened banana. It's a different kind. Yep, our ingredients is enough. I asked my wife if we have vanilla, one of the key ingredients, so she said we have, and we do have flour. So let's do it. Alright, so we're done peeling the banana. This is one good tip. You don't have to remove them one by one from disipi. I don't know what's disipi in English. So this is how you do it. You need to peel it one by one from the bottom of the banana, or the tip. So you can throw it just all at once. It's a very good quality banana. Well, I have to peel them all. It's like few more hours and they'll become overripe. So I have to use them all. This other half here, this will go to the Minatamis na saging, and the other one will go to Maruya or pinaypay. Right, so let's now prepare the ingredients. Frying time. We are going to boil this one. This is now for the minatamis. For the minatamis na saging na Saba. Right, so while waiting for the oil to heat up to save time, let's go. I have a lot of extra flour mix earlier, so what I did, I took some of the sliced bananas intended for the minatamis. I took some of it and I pounded them, and then I mixed it with this one. So this is now the other variant of banana fritter. This is the original banana fritter. And then I'll scoop a cup, and then it will look like this after frying. Again, the challenge now are the kids. Let's see if they will like this one again. What about you? What's your favorite Filipino snacks? Tell me, and please leave your comments also.
It also looks like pancake.
Yeah.
That is what we have been saying.
Yummy banana. I would like good.
Thank you for watching and help us get 1K subs.
Salamat.
1, 2,